Well, hey everyone, it's Tuesday, December 13th now. Just doing another quick update again. Well, we've got the major snowstorm coming. Looks like it's heading in here around Thursday, overnight Friday. They're talking about 30 centimeters for here. Just got storm warnings. And 30 centimeters for you Americans is 12 inches. So, anywho, with that in mind, I ended up ordering grocery delivery because I'm still without a pickup truck and need groceries. So we did this thing here. I don't know if you Americans have that, but it's called Instacart or something. Anyway, it's a little more expensive. Just showing you guys the snow outside there. Fed the squirrelies. Anyway, it went down to minus 14, but yeah, so we've got a big snowstorm coming in, and so I've got to get this awning rolled back up and get the stuff here, like the tarp and everything, put on better, so we're not getting anything on the table. And I'm not sure what's happening. The wood stove is still set for Friday install, but I don't know with all this snow coming. So anyway, looks like somebody pulled into the yard a truck because it's got you know, the dual wheels. So anyway, they didn't come in very far. They just backed in and took off. I guess I don't know who that was. Anyway, it's not important. They didn't stop. They didn't say good day. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and yeah, snowstorm, lots of fun. What is Marvin and Martha, it looks like, or is that two Marvins? Well, that's Martha on the left and Marvin on the right. Sorry, hold that better for you guys tonight. Somebody's squawking. Hey guys, big snowstorm coming, eh? They're like pissing on me. They're like, forget your snowstorm, man. You didn't feed us for like 4 or 5 days. It was too cold. Down to minus 14 actually is what it was. So another good test run for the plumbing and everything. You know, that didn't freeze or anything like that. I had to go out and check. I did go and do one check there about 4 o'clock this morning, which it was mighty cold, but I thought, you know what, I might as well check it during the coldest part and see where we go from there. Yeah. So we're waiting on the groceries to show up. I cannot wait because I haven't had a decent coffee since I haven't got my condensed milk. So anyway, we'll see how this delivery thing goes. It's kind of neat because you can watch them as they're shopping, and if they have to replace anything, they ask you to approve it, and then you know, or exchange it, whatever, or you know, just don't bother getting it. So anyway, it worked out. He got everything, the lad got everything I need. But they're making them come all the way from Ottawa out here when there's these stores out here. I don't understand why they're not doing them. So, using the local stores. Well, yeah. So, guess we're going to do some cleanup here today. I was watching some YouTube videos. Being lazy, but I guess I'll have to get off my rear end and start doing some stuff, get ready, because it's Tuesday, and I still have to, I'm going to order my mother's groceries as well online. I just thought, well, I'll do mine separate, and then I'll go ahead and do hers, so I'll try and get hers in for tomorrow, so we don't have any drivers, you know, having to drive out here during the snowstorm, because that you know, that wouldn't be cool for them. So Especially if they're sending them from the city and they don't know the areas, like the roads and everything here, so. Yeah. This is new. I've never seen two of them up there on top of the laundry machine. Check this out. Oh, good day to do laundry too. Wally and Blackie sitting up there. Hey Blackie, do you say buddy? Sitting up there with Wally. I've never seen the both of you sit on top of the washer. Putting cat hair all over my work jacket. I guess I'll just have to live with that, eh? How about you, Goldie? Oh, you're gonna come right to that phone. She's like, I don't care. You're gonna feed me and clean the box, she says. All right, well, we'll see you in a bit. I'm still uploading in October stuff, so I gotta remember to look this way. This is where the camera dot is. Okay, folks, we'll see you soon. Be good.